Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore data quality with GA4 filters and data streams, full guide step by step clearly. To restore data quality with GA4 filters and data streams, start by accessing your Google Analytics 4 account. Navigate to the admin section located at the bottom left of the interface. In the admin panel, you will find the property column. Select the relevant property that you wish to manage. Next, click on Data Streams under the Property column. Choose the data stream you want to filter for data quality. Once the data stream opens, scroll down to find the More Tagging Settings option. Click on List Unwanted Referrals to manage referral exclusions. Add any unwanted referral domains to ensure they don't impact your data quality. Return to the data stream settings and find the Enhanced Measurement section. Toggle off any unwanted events that may skew your data. To create a filter, go back to the admin panel and select Data Settings in the Property column. Next, click on Data Filters. Choose Create Filter to start the setup process. Label your filter clearly for future reference. Select the filter type that best suits your data quality needs. For example, you might want to exclude internal traffic. Define the filtering conditions based on your criteria. Review and save your filter settings. To track the effectiveness of your filters, monitor data reports regularly. Analyze your GA4 reports to ensure your data quality is improving. Make adjustments to your filters as necessary based on your findings. Keep documentation of all changes made for future reference. By following these steps, you will enhance the precision of your GA4 data. Consistent monitoring will help maintain data quality over time. Stay informed about any updates to GA4 functionalities to optimize your strategies. Implementing these filters and data stream settings will lead to more reliable analytics insights. This process will ultimately support better decision-making for your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.